Runner at first and nobody out. Henderson the batter. Hartman on the mound. The left-hander comes set. The pitch on the way. Henderson swings and lines one foul. Ricochets back and against Hartman. What's going on? Everybody's going down. Now the fans. I've never seen anything like this. There goes my popcorn. Stripey, no! In the booth. Not Phil. Look out. Buster through it. There's a kick. The catcher still can't find the ball. What is going on? This ball is a magnet. Nobody's safe. Everybody's running.
Rolling Rock?
Yes.
A esta tierna humanidad es un juego cruel de un sistema trivial.